Hey everybody, I am coming on here live. I haven't been here for a long time, so if you're watching live, say hello. I'd love to say hi to you. And if you're watching later, make sure you throw me a hashtag replay. I'd like to say hi to you later and just know who's watching. Anyways, so I want to talk about two things. One, I'm going to do a demo, and I'm going to try something live. Hopefully I like it. Using one of our new products, also talking about our weight management support, which I trialed a few months ago. I don't know if you remember me talking about it. Hey, Marilyn. But anyways, before I get talking about the weight management support and things that are going on, I'm going to start my demo. And so I don't know about you, but I've had a fun summer. And I am excited to be back on track because this summer I was just focusing on maintaining my weight loss journey, and I basically gained and lost the same 5 pounds throughout the whole summer. And so now that it's fall and things are settling down and I don't have too many trips planned, I can focus on my health and wellness again. And so one thing I love about Sipology is they've got these amazing soda flavors, and you can create your own natural soda with just using tea. And I like this new monk fruit. I like monk fruit because it's all natural. It doesn't have some monk fruit that you can get in the stores does have added erythritol and things like that. That can cause stomach upset, but plain monk fruit does not. It is completely natural and does not cause stomach upset. And so I'm excited to use this. I normally would use SodaStream, but I'm trying to stay away from that because they do have a bit of Splenda in SodaStream syrups, and so I'm trying to see. When we came out with this, I was excited because even though the SodaStream syrups don't have a lot of Splenda, they do have some, and I can't take too much of it, and it's not good for us, I don't believe. New research is coming out that says it's not. So I'm excited about this, and I'm going to try making a soda naturally with just tea and this monk fruit and soda water. All right, so what I'm going to do is I usually don't have like an 8-ounce cup. Usually it's a bit bigger, so I like to do double strength because I like lots of flavor in my drinks. But so I do 3 teaspoons of the tea, and I'll show you what it looks like, but it smells amazing. This is raspberry cream soda, and look at that. That does not look like the tea leaves that you get in the tea bags, does it? And anyways, oh, it smells so amazing. Okay, so I'm making 2 cups because my hubby will be mad that I'm not making him one too. So all you do is I just put it into, you could use either a small bowl and an infuser if you have a larger infuser, or if you've got these steeping sacks, they work even better. And because what you want to do is you want to take some hot water. Now you can cold steep it, but if you're in a hurry like me, most of the time, what I do is I do it the fast way. So I just fill enough of hot water to just cover the tea leaves, and you want the tea leaves to be able to move around and dance, and that's where you're going to get the best flavor. And so we're going to do that again, and I just enough to fill. You don't want hot soda. Anyways, so I'm going to steep that. This is fruit tea, so I don't need to put my timer on if I don't want. I'm going to be talking for a little while. The more you steep fruit tea, the more flavor really you have. But you do want to time the rest of your caffeinated teas because they can become bitter, and you don't want that. All right, so while that's steeping, I'm going to jump over and talk about this weight management support that's coming out. So I did go on it a few months ago. I don't know if you remember me talking about this, but I did have a lot of success. And so what this does is this works on our leptin levels, our hormone leptin, and that signals our brain when we're full and when we're hungry. And so a lot of times we have issues as we're aging being able to have that signal working properly. And so this is made with African mango. It's got a long name, another name, technical name that I'm not going to pronounce, but it's also called African mango. And it helps support our leptin levels. And I was on it, and I would have to say, of course, this is not a magic wand that you're just going to lose weight effortlessly. Oh my gosh. Anyways, but what it does is it makes us feel full. So you take it twice a day, 2 scoops twice a day, and it helps you feel full, so you want to drink it before your meals. I work night shift, so I also like to drink it after my night shift instead of before one of my meals. I'm not as much of a snacker as I am. I get tempted to eat before bed. I haven't for a while, so I might go back to meal times, but you can do it that way too. It doesn't have to be before meals. It's basically whenever you struggle, you can take this as well. And so I lost 10 pounds in 10 weeks and 15.5 inches. And yeah, it was good for me. I felt like it basically helped me feel full while I was trying to lose weight, and I wasn't as tempted to snack. And so I do have right now free $30 coupons if anybody's interested. It's also, I do combine the VIP discounts as well, so if you ask me about those, if you don't know about them, then I can tell you about my VIP discounts. And also Sipology gives a free gift with a $100 purchase as well, so that would also be included. If you wanted to put this in a party, you could also do that, and that would be towards party host rewards, which is also a great idea. So yeah, let me know if you're interested in finding out more about this. It also comes with a support group, and that they put information from health professionals and give recipe ideas, and I think they do giveaways. I haven't been in it in a little while, but I believe they do giveaways, and it's a great support system to help us keep on track. So that's included. It's a Facebook support group. All right, so let's get back to my demo because I don't want to keep you. So I think I've been talking for about 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna take these steeping sacks out. Smells so good. And then what I'm gonna do first, oops, I'm gonna check my weight management. Probably tastes good, but I don't know. So this monk fruit is approximately 200 times sweeter than sugar. This is a new container, so this little scoop that they give you is kind of stuck down. But anyway, so personally, I'm going to use a creamy vanilla. That's my favorite flavor. And I'm going to put 2 servings. And it's just little tiny. Like, it's not very much because, like I said, it's 200 times sweeter than sugar. So I'm just going to put that in there. And if I need to sweeten it more, I can totally do that. But right now I'm going to start off. I haven't used this with the soda flavors yet. So this is the first time, so I'm excited to try this. So I'm just going to use my hands are all sticky with this stuff. Anyways, I'm going to use my mighty mixer to make sure it's mixed up good. I'm going to taste it hot just to see if it's sweet enough for me. They say 1 serving to try to start with and then work your way up. Everybody's tastes are different, right? Yeah, that is sweet. Okay, so I'm going to add some ice. I might add adjustments later because I don't think I have enough ice for this. So then I filled it with ice, and then I'm just going to top it with cold soda water. And I'm going to see how it tastes. It's good. I think I would add 1 more serving, so I'd add 3 little servings of, let's see. I'm still learning to play around with this monk fruit. It comes in original flavor, cinnamon, which is really good in our fall flavored teas, and also this creamy vanilla, which I really like in other things too. That's good. So for me, and 3 servings isn't too sweet, but this is also a bigger cup, right? So if you were to have like an 8-ounce cup, probably 1 to 2 would be great. And in a larger glass, like I'd say 3 or 4, because you're doing double the size. But so this is a great natural soda that you don't have to worry about the sugar content. If you're looking to improve your health and kick the soda cravings and the sweetener garbage that is out there, then it is a great way to do that. Now, if you like bubbly teas, or sorry, not bubbly teas, bubbly soda, like that fruit flavored soda, another great thing is you can flavor it with tea, and you don't have all the cans, and just use the soda stream if you have a soda stream, or buy soda water. You don't have as many little cans laying around all the time. And that's what I like about that as well. So you can make your own flavored soda water, your own version of bubbly at home, and super easy. We do that too a lot of times. So anyways, that's all I'm going to say. I hope you guys have an amazing day, amazing weekend. Hope you're having fun. Pop in what you're sipping on in the comments below, and I'd love to hear what you like to drink on the weekends. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.